Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to insert a table to your HTML website. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application which is Sublime Text, or we can use any other application if required to. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application Sublime Text, click on this, and then the preloaded code from the previous tutorials should be on screen. If not, we can go to File, Open, search for index.html. So now we can increase the size of the text edit file and then cancel out some code we no longer require. Highlight, Command /, go to after break within body, insert the table we require. Before we do that, insert a heading, H2 greater than, less than / autofill H2. Within this we need a title, a cell that spans 2 columns. Go to a new line, less than table style equals width 100%. This is all inline CSS. Go to a new line. We need the tag tr, which defines a row in the table. We need the tag th, which defines a header cell in a table. Within this we need the name. Go to a new line again, th call span equals to, after greater than, insert telephone. Less than / th, which is the autofill, and now we can insert another tr tag. Within this we can insert a td tag, which defines a cell in the table. Less than / autofill, highlight the previous line of code, copy, go to a new line and paste. Within this we can insert a couple of numbers, copy and paste. Command S to say so the table itself has now been programmed. The only thing left to do now is to insert the CSS. Can be external, internal. We will go to style.css as we are using external style sheets for this tutorial. Insert the code table, th, td, curly brace, new line, border and border collapse. Go to a new line, insert TH and TD, and then padding and text line. Make this 5 pixels. To the left, semicolon. Command S to say, so now we have a website that we programmed with a table. We also have an external style sheet connected within head. So we can now go all the way down to the doc, go to Finder, Documents, My YouTube Channel, Tutorials, HTML Tutorials, go to index.html, right click, open with, Safari, decrease the size of the web browser, minimize Finder for the moment, and also decrease the size of the text edit file so we can then see both windows at the same time and then work on them simultaneously. So now we have a website with a heading, an image from the previous tutorials, and as part of this tutorial we inserted a table with a cell that spans 2 columns. So we have the name, my name, a couple of numbers, all in a table. So we can quit Safari, quit Sublime Text. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.